Welcome to the home site of Brideheads.com. This video is to help you navigate the site so you know all of the necessary steps to get your hair and makeup services booked for your wedding day. Before we get started, we would like to extend our congratulations on your engagement. Step 1. Find out the prices. The first thing to do is select Services on the menu. The menu drops down and you can select the Services menu. This will show you all of the services that we offer, which display the prices for each service. This will give you an idea of a budget for your hair and makeup services, along with the mileage cost. Step 2. Inquire through email or Facebook Instant Messenger. The Date and Trial Inquiry page can be found on the main menu under Date and Inquiry Contracts, then select Date and Trial Inquiry. Contact us through email or Facebook Instant Messenger with the following information: bride's full name, the wedding date, your phone number and email, wedding location, name and address, your time frame needs, and the number of participants needing services. Specify if you need both hair and makeup services, if you're interested in any bridal nail parties or other salon hair services, and any other questions you have or any other information you can provide to us. Step 3. Pay the deposit and fill out the Save the Date contract. The first Save the Date contract can be found on the website under Date Inquiry and Contracts. Click on Contracts. On this page, you will find the first contract on the first row. Make sure to select according to your wedding date. The contracts are PDF files that can be printed out, filled out, and sent back to us by scanning it or emailing it or mailing it back. While not preferred, a check in the mail is also accepted. Step 4. Book a trial. To book a trial date, email Angie at brideheads@gmail.com. Step 5. Discuss any extras with Angie. You may like to add on a bridal nail party, needed color, cut or wax services. Email Angie at brideheads@gmail.com. Step 6. Fill in second details contract. This contract can be found on the main menu under Date Inquiry and Contracts. Click on Contracts. On this page, you will find the second details contract on the first row. This contract is due 60 days or more before the wedding. This PDF file can be printed out and filled out, and you can scan and email it back or send it by mail. Please note, a penalty fee will be included for all late contracts. These contracts are essential for making prior arrangements with our staff to serve you on your big day. Step 7. We will send you a final invoice. An invoice will be sent to you with a breakdown of charges. These charges are due in full one day before the wedding. Step 8. Get married. All the preparations and details are now set for your big day. Our services will be rendered to you and your party before you walk down the aisle. It will be all I do, and you have a bride head of hair and or makeup that will survive and look amazing the whole day. Step 9. Deposit refund. Your deposit will be refunded, less any charges, after your wedding date. Step 10. Share your stellar review. We have done this for a long time, but we would love your positive reviews, which can be done on the Knot.com or WeddingWire. Our goal is to provide our best services at ease and ensure you are a worry-free bride. That's it. These steps are important to follow and will ensure a smooth and simple experience. In addition to the information from this video, you may also like to visit the Most Frequently Asked Questions page, which may also be a good resource for you if you have any other questions. If you don't find the answers there, please email Angie at brideheads@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.